Hey everyone, welcome back to Pop-Up's Horsepower Shop. Back to working on the S10 today. I recently swapped in a tilt steering column to replace just the old standard column because the new one has tilt. And the linkage didn't quite line up just right. And right now, when I put it in reverse, it has no reverse lights, backup camera, anything like that. Unless I hold the shifter linkage up and then it'll come on. So everything does work. But it looks like it should be a fairly simple adjustment to adjust the shifter linkage underneath the truck. So we'll take a look at that and see if we can make this work. Stay tuned. So I am underneath the truck. This is right underneath the driver's seat, right behind the left rear fender. And right there is the shifter rod linkage. It looks like I should be able to adjust that bolt right there and move that shifter linkage rod and make everything work a little better. Alright, so what I did, I turned on the transmission and turned it one notch to the right after this bolt was loose, which is 13 millimeter. So it puts it in reverse. Sorry for the noise, it's hot here in Florida, so the garage door is open today. And I put the gear shift lever in reverse, which turns on my reverse lights and everything. And I locked it all back down, so when this goes in and out of reverse, the lights and backup camera should come on. Let's go check the truck. So we're in reverse here now. Backup camera is on. And park. Reverse. The backup camera's on. It's driven off the reverse lights, so the reverse lights have to be on. So that was actually a pretty simple fix. Like I said, the steering column was probably off just maybe a quarter of an inch tops. So it didn't take long, just had to jack it up in the front and just to access that. So that's all working again. That was really starting to bug me. So thanks for watching. Till next time.